Should I cover the ham with foil while cooking?
Hello there, ham enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a common question that home cooks and seasoned chefs alike often wonder: should I cover the ham with foil while cooking? We'll delve into the ins and outs of this culinary conundrum, and by the end, you'll be all set to cook up a storm in your kitchen.
Why would I cover the ham with foil?
When roasting ham, we're often dealing with pre-cooked, cured, or smoked ham. Our goal is not necessarily to cook it, but to warm it up to a safe and enjoyable eating temperature. Covering the ham with foil serves several purposes. 1. Heat distribution. Foil helps distribute heat more evenly throughout the ham, preventing any hot spots that could lead to uneven cooking. 2. Moisture retention. It also locks in moisture, preventing the ham from drying out during the long heating process.
Are there any downsides to using foil?
While using foil has its advantages, there are also some potential downsides. 1. Browning. If you cover your ham with foil for the entire cooking process, it won't brown. Browning, or the Maillard reaction, is what gives the ham a rich, savory flavor and an appetizing appearance. 2. Texture. The outer layer of the ham may become somewhat soft or steamed, rather than having the desirable slightly crispy exterior.
So, what's the best approach?
Here's the key takeaway: use both methods. Start by covering your ham with foil for the majority of the cooking time. This helps to warm the ham through and retain its natural juices. Then, during the last 15 to 20 minutes of cooking, remove the foil. This will allow the surface of the ham to brown and crisp up, giving you the best of both worlds: a moist, flavorful interior and a beautifully browned exterior. That's a wrap on our ham cooking journey. In the end, whether or not to cover the ham with foil isn't an either-or decision. It's about using the foil strategically to achieve the perfect balance of moisture, flavor, and texture. Here's to your future success in the kitchen, cooking up the perfect ham every time. Happy cooking!